Hi guys, Darko here for your weekly trade example. We had a trade on USD and I want you to pay close attention to, by the time I recorded the trade, price was somewhere up in here. And I draw a line and explain exactly what to wait for. So let's hear what I had to say and I will talk you through it. The monthly candle is very bullish. My yearly bias is short. My monthly is short, going against the monthly ACAT. And we are also having a weekly ACAT at this level. So here you can start looking for a potential trend trade. Always the first entry is not trend confirmed. That means you will have, because this is up, price is making higher and higher closes or just higher highs. Okay, so when this happens, you get a swing break. That's the first sign that we might be, there are no guarantees, we might be reversing from making higher lows and higher highs to lower highs and lower lows. If that happens, then this neckline, this neckline, this neckline, this will be the entry with the higher high stop loss aiming to the downside. And if you get, like, if this is your lower swing, just illustrating this, goes up and makes a lower low, lower close, now you have trend confirmed, you start trend trading until price hits a legit opposing level. Okay, option number two, you have a weekly ACAT at resistance in alignment with your yearly, monthly, weekly bias. You take this trade to be on a safe side and you take this as a pending order already. What you could do is you use hands-on. That means you take out the risk as soon as possible and have a free look. Well, I wish I had a service like this, for 16 years ago, when someone is like actually teaching you how to do things properly and talks in advance and is very, just telling you, I'm just like transferring my thinking process in these PMAs into your thinking process. And by listening to this day in and day out, week, month, year in and year out, you will see a very heavy changing in your trading. Okay, there you go. Actually, when I talked about this trade, price was somewhere in here. Okay, so what I said was price was at monthly resistance, we are at weekly resistance, we had a weekly ACAT, and I said if you are trading ACATs, this is a pending order, and if you are trading pure price action, wait for the trend to be broken. So price is making higher lows. Okay, and then I said if something like this happens, which exactly did, we take out these swings, then this will be the entry with the higher high stop loss aiming to the downside. And we had several clients taking this trade. This trade needed around 50 pips. Okay, let me grab my ruler for you. Let's see here, from here up to here. So 25 plus 25 is 50, and this is up over 240 pips, pain-free. Okay, so that's how you read price. And I actually started a price action reading sessions within my PMA. So I cover all the 27, 28 pairs. And then the remaining time, I'm actually grabbing a chart randomly and talk about pure price action. That's what I do. Like, I grab the 4-hour charts and just draw, the swings, higher high, higher closes, or lower highs and lower low. And then show them how double tops and double bottoms are reversals. How do the reversals start? I just said by double tops and double bottoms, and then wait for swing break rotations, and then you wait, how price pulls back into resistance or support and then continues. And then I did another session, and for Monday's PMA I put everything in context, and I already got some great feedback in the chat room, where I actually first teach you how to read price and then also teach you how these pending orders actually occur on the PMAs. So going through the yearly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and then we go down to the 4-hour. Is the trend against us, with us? What is price doing? If I'm at support, is prices like shifting from down to up for me to be ready to jump in. And yeah, and I will continue doing these price action reading sessions, combining different time frames. Like sometimes I do this on the 4 hours, sometimes on the hourly, sometimes on a daily, weekly, monthly, etc., etc. So if you want to join our service, make sure you go to forexmentor.com/cc and read about what we are doing. Okay, and this is the pricing for the monthly, and this is for the yearly. Okay, and that is forexmentor.com/cc/join. Okay, if you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up, and I will be doing more for you. Okay, thank you so much for listening, and I wish you a fantastic trading week. Cheers.